Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will pour on a heart. This is around 16-inch thing. It's a wooden board and I will do a split cup pour. And since I'm talking about the hearts, want to just say that I love you guys all and I'm so grateful for all your support, and to invite you to join me this Sunday. I'm back with Sunday Lives. I will go live on at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So join me to talk a little more today. Just want to say love you. I will do a split cup pour with some girly colors today. I just picked them, I don't know why. They should be all obviously they should be there. So I will use some Vallejo Rose Red Azo, and I have some Maimieri Permanent Red Deep, and I have some Winsor Newton Permanent Magenta, and two gorgeous these little piggy pigments, Golden Peach and Ore. I will pour with those two for the first time. And I have my pearl white mixture, that it's Vallejo Pearl Medium mixed with titanium white, and my pouring medium, and I have a black. And I'm planning to leave this part kind of a negative space, so I will start with black. And since I'm doing a split cup, I can invite you all to Ireland this June. Fab with all the fab ladies, and Nate Bright, Sarah Mack, Mina Villegas, Karen Durshin, Fozia Creation, and Erica Hughes, and myself. We will teach classes live, 3 days. Because when you pour, life is everything different. You can understand things so much more. So if you want, join us in Ireland. So I layered the whole split cup except my pearl white. Okie doke. And I will kind of go with a little black like here to have a barrier, or how can I say, because I will pour on this side, so, and then I will tilt to that one.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you.
Okay, this was kind of a never-ending cup.
Take me on a spree. I wanna get to know me, every little inch of me. Gentle while you stroke, when you depicture me, every number count, love tokens. Where did all the swallows fly when I was 17? Caught up in a dream that became a nightmare. I've said it doesn't matter now, but it defeats me. Shackles around one's feet is not so neat. Oh, hurry with the kisses, your lips and the balm. Every number counts, love tokens. Where did all the swallows fly when I was 17? Caught up in a dream that became a nightmare. Oh, it must have been the first time that evil kissed my face. But little did I know, disharmony awakens me. Oh, who would I be all the swallows fly when I was only 17? Caught up in a dream that became a nightmare. It must have been the first time that evil kissed my face. Oh, but little did I know. Where did all the swallows fly when I was 17? Caught up in a dream that became a nightmare.
So here is the final result. As you can see, I did some brush work on it because I kind of didn't like the way that it turned out. I like it now. And I did add a coat of varnish because when you apply your acrylic paint, it's more matte looking than with your pouring medium. So I want you to see the real look, how can I say? And this ore is just amazing. I don't know where the golden peach went. I don't see a lot, but because it has a gold pink shimmer, maybe it's just here somewhere, and it gives just a little touch of something that I kind of can't notice, but love this now. So you see, you can always go with the brush and try to fix things. So tell me in the comments what you think. Do you like this look more, or it was better before that? And don't forget, I will go live again this week, Sunday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we will have some fun. We will play again like last week. You will choose the technique and the colors, and I will do a pour. See you on my live. Bye.